Hey guys, welcome to yet another episode of the channel. We are here trading the pound against the US dollar. So we spotted a beautiful trade early on in the morning. You see we have this level right here. Trading levels is good, and trading trend lines is one of the best things that can happen to you. So we spotted this. It is GBPUSD that we are trading right now, and we spotted this beautiful trade, and we see the market is going with, we are going with the market. Yeah, I should improve that. We are transforming with the market. We put a stop loss, a very tight one, and we put a take profit up here. We are already in profit, which is beautiful. You can also spot such beautiful trades if you concentrate and settle on one pair. For example, most people love trading gold. Let me show you. Trading view is such a beautiful thing to use, but a lot of people enjoy trading gold. You can see right here, our trade did not play out as we assumed it would, and we got out immediately. So gold is good to trade, but it is not on a daily, it is not consistent. But if you get a pair that is quite consistent and you're good at this pair, it is going to get you some profits on a daily. You just have to be consistent and learn. Me, I chose the British pound against the US dollar for some reasons, because when you look at the British pound, it is a strong currency, and the US dollar is a very strong currency too. That is what they base on these markets. So to spot such a beautiful trade, it depends on your lot size and the amount of the capital you have for trading. So myself, I have some little capital that I trade with, and spotting such a beautiful trade, also your broker matters a lot. When you're trading, in your trading journey, in your trading career, choosing the right brokerage firm is something that is going to be good for you. It is going to be beautiful, and that is why I'm going to recommend to you FBS markets, the ones that I use to trade these markets. The link is down in the description. You guys can go ahead and sign up, create an account, maybe start on a demo. You know what a demo account is? They give you, it's like a challenge, right? It is a demo account. It's not real money. You start with practicing your strategy, seeing where the market is going, seeing if the market is with you or it's against you. So it is always beautiful to start with a demo account. That is why, you guys, I'm bringing you FBS markets, those that want to sign up to them. I think it is the best that I've used so far. I've been using it for 3 years, and it is a good recommendation. So sign up if you want to start your trading journey with FBS. But this video is about how to trade GBPUSD, the British pound against the US dollar. So as we can see right now, from morning in the Sydney session and Tokyo session, it is on the rise. The market is going back up, and we hoped, this is a level I marked out yesterday. I didn't trade it yesterday that much. I made a mistake. I didn't trade it, but this would have been a beautiful push. If you see, let me show you something. If you see this level right here, it would have been such a beautiful push. In the New York session, it was able to come back down to this level right here. So those that entered in over in this candle here were able to make profits. When you enter trade, you have to wait. Observing the trade is such a very difficult job to do, because it always goes back up and down. So if you just keep yourself in the markets looking at, you get too emotional and you get out. For example, let me show you right here. The people that entered in this level, they got some profits, right? They were in profit here. So if you're in profit and then you see the market going back up, you may say, oh, it is going to take me out, then get out from here. That is a mistake a lot of people do. But if you see a beautiful trade, if you spot a beautiful trade happening, you just have to let it play out, which a lot of people don't have the patience to do. They just want to get out early. For example, this is just a short trend we jumped on before I even started recording the video. As we can see, we have had a beautiful push from this candle. The market could still go up because we don't see the level right here. We are targeting maybe this level that I marked out with this line. The market could face resistance from here because that is what we anticipate, the market to go up from here. But you know, it doesn't move like it is just going to go up. It could come back down, then go back up. That is what we anticipate. We are going to see what the London session is going to have. Maybe we can also spot a beautiful trend there and make sure we are in profits. Those people that are trading gold, yesterday I made a video about trading gold, which you'll see. Gold is tough, but it is the most profitable, and you can have the most losses. As you can see, it is going down. The market is going down right now in gold, but yesterday we got some profits here. Then I decided, like a typical beginner does, I decided to go in after some point in the New York session, and I was taken out with a few losses. I make sure my stop loss is there. That is one thing you guys too should have. You just have to make sure your stop loss is there and know how much you're going to lose in case the market goes against you. But right now we are in profits, and as you can see, maybe this trade is going to play out beautifully. That is what we anticipate. Maybe, you know, it can come back. It is all possible. You have to be 100% sure that, you know, it could go against you and you would still be fine. You know, I could decide to go out from here just like any coward, but I just decide to let the market play out. So what do we learn from this trading video? I think getting a pair you trust and you maximize on that pair is really crucial. Remember, I'm keeping these videos as a journal to my trading journey, to freedom, because trading gives you a lot of freedom, right? So we are learning. We are still in the process of doing a lot of research, reading books, and maximizing our trading strategy. And we are here for all the action as it happens. We are here for all the action as it happens. I'll keep looking at my profits and then see when to get out, but I'll wait for take profit to happen for me, because that is what I want to do for today. And then also spot another beautiful trade, because I've observed, me when I trade GBPUSD, it is the pair I know most. I also know gold. I'm good at gold, but gold is not secure for anybody. You can make some losses, and the losses are big. But in GBPUSD, the losses are minimal, even though also the profits are minimal. You just have to increase your lot size just a little bit, not too much, because it's not ideal to use your whole account. Therefore, yeah, this is the trade I wanted to talk about in today's GBPUSD. It is just the Tokyo session, and the London session is going to start in a minute, I think. We are going to see where it's going to go, whether we can get in 2 more positions, because we think the market is retracing. And yeah, it is going to be a beautiful trade. I think we could still go above yesterday's New York session, but I anticipated that probably it will come back to yesterday's Tokyo session. That is my thought process for today's trades. We might be looking at coming back to the Tokyo session. Then the market is going to decide whether buyers continue buying or people are going to start selling. All right, this is the way to trade Forex, guys. So the London session is starting and we see a retracement back, but it is just the candle forming. This is, you may say, oh, it's going back down, but it could just be the candle forming, right? Yeah, anyway, we shall keep observing the market and see how it is going to play out today, and we are here for it all. We are here for everything as it is going to happen. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. We shall keep bringing out educational videos about, you know, trading the financial markets. Choose, for example, I'm a day trader. You could choose to be a scalper. You know, scalping is also different, but we shall talk about that in another video. You could choose to be a stock trader. You can choose anything you want to be, but just make sure you get a pair, learn a strategy, and stick to your principles, because if you don't stick to the principles, you're going to be stopped out, right? Yeah, you just have to sit. If you can make, wherever you are, if you can make, let us say 50 is okay, not 50 a day, like you have a monthly target, then if you can be able to achieve that, I think it is always beautiful. It is a lot of freedom that you can have with the financial markets if you're not too emotional. You see it going down and say, oh, let me get in right now. That is what most people do, and it is gambling. So you don't have to gamble these markets. You just have to spot a beautiful trend line and decide whether to get in and how much you're going to get in with that. But yes, guys, FBS, I have a link in my description. I'll also remind you in this video, in between I'll put in their adverts so that you can sign up, you know. If you want to start your trading journey with FBS, maybe your brokerage is not doing you good, you can decide to join us in the winning team, which is green, and it is FBS.
A modern trader needs a modern broker.
More like a reliable one.
Oh, okay.
And with good data protection. Heard of FBS?
FBS?
It also needs to have top-notch account security. What? I trade too.
So reliable, good data protection.
And account security.
Right. Now I get it.
27 million modern traders know what they need. A trusted and reliable broker.
FBS. Traders know better.
I think it is a good brokerage. I've been using it for some time now. All my trading journey I've been using this FBS, but let us watch and see where the market is going. The London session is always volatile. Yeah, it is the next to the New York session. It is volatile, and we are going to see how it is going to play out, but this is what I anticipated in the markets, and hopefully we can be able to get something out today. So those who want to join also the trading journey, we can trade together. I have a Discord, I have a Patreon. They are all in the description. You guys can go in there and support, right? Yeah, but today it is a day for GBPUSD. Every day for me should be a day for GBPUSD, because why not? I know I can make profits from all these pairs. I can make profits or losses from all these pairs, but I decide to do GBPUSD and then gold. Then with time I'll decide to go into crypto. I'll decide to go into crypto because crypto you can also trade it on the weekends. So this is gold, right? Then we can, where is crypto? Bitcoin, right? Yeah, Bitcoin you can trade on the weekends. That is why some people go in for it, and I think this is a beautiful setup. If you see right here, it is such a beautiful setup where if you observe it really well, you can get into profits. Right, if you see how it has formed right here, we can say, let me get an arrow. It went to, it tapped here, then another arrow, you know, from here it went to here. You see how you study this. You know, you don't focus on this. For example, those who went into the trade right here in the New York session, they took profits right here. Okay, So, and this is the Bitcoin, right? You can trade Bitcoin actually, and after this I think we could go around here. We could, and then so if it forms like this, that means it is going to go above, right? We could see this trend happening, but all factors kept constant. You see, cryptocurrency is on the rise. Right now we are in 72, right? But this could be a beautiful trade to take, but you have to hold for a long time. If it is still on the rise, all this could be the maximum it will be up, right? Anyway, yeah, that is the study for Bitcoin, but yeah, we shall focus mainly on our GBPUSD. The market is retracing in the London session, which is okay. You just have to hold and hope that it will be with you. The market will go, you will go with the market. We just have to observe what the market is doing and yeah, keep at it. Anyway, thank you guys that are watching. You guys are the best. Those that saw the gold video, we appreciate you very much that watched it through. You have to also observe what the candlesticks are doing right here, so that you know, if you want to get out right now, you can. That's if you're scared. But you know, trading is not for the scared. You know, it is you just have to know how much you can afford to lose. Now, for example, myself, I could move my stop loss, right? This is trading a small account. I could definitely my account is logged out. I don't know why, but I'm logged in on the phone, so I wanted to show you guys. Maybe I could move my stop loss or something. But back to, you know, so that you know, you can move your stop loss to right here, so that you don't get stopped out, you don't make losses on this trade. Yeah, and that is what I might do. I'm still observing how the market is going to play out in the London session. Yeah, but it is very you can always move your stop loss to break even, so that even if the market comes back down, you don't make any losses, right? You just break even from your initial entry. You can decide to do that, or you can decide to go out right now in profit, but that is not ideal. You just have to let the trade play out. For example, if you took this trade, let me show you right here. If you were like, I'm going to go short in right here, you see, and then make a take profit of right here. So let me show you how this played out. If you did this and said I'm going to put a stop loss of right there, so the market went with you, you know, you went with the market, then it decided to come back up, right? It came back up. Then if you decided, oh, the market is going against me now, then you get out of here. You would have missed out on all of this. You would have missed all of this, right? Up to here. But if you decide to hold, you know, it comes back up, you're holding, then it comes back down again, you're in profit. So sometimes you just have to hold and hope that the market will do what you think it's going to do. And it's not about guessing, it is putting a smart stop loss. You know, you're willing to lose, let us say $5, you put a stop loss of 5 and willing to win, to get 20, you know, that is 1 to 4. You have to put a take profit of where 20 is, right? But yeah, that is how trading goes. This is GBPUSD that we are doing today. And of course, I'll keep on reminding you guys to sign up to FBS. I think they are the best brokerage. They are in the link is right there in the description. We always come out with trading videos. We come out with financial videos. This is not financial advice, guys. Remember, it's not financial advice. It is just for education purposes. It is, you do not have to invest too much in trading, guys. If you have, like, for example, if you're worth $1,000, just put 50 and start small. It is very risky if you put, you know, all your 1,000, because at some point you might lose it and then keep blaming other people. Yet if you start with 50, you know, you graduate that to 55, or it takes you back to 45, then you say, okay, what did I do wrong? Let me try and, you know, do this. That is the way you're going to learn trading. So maybe you've started with 50. In a year you could be trading, you know, $1,000. Then in 2 years you could be trading 10,000. So just take it slow. That is what I encourage people on my channel. It could be such a beautiful thing for you to do if you're careful about trading and making money online. It is one of the best ways to make money online, because I've tried a lot of side hustles. I've tried trading, I've tried YouTube, I've tried websites, I've tried drop shipping, I've tried almost everything, freelancing, I've tried signing up to websites, Upwork, I've tried online jobs. But I've tried all this, but I also have my full-time job. So trading is not my full-time job right now. I do it on the side, like you can see, and it is going on good so far. We are able to spot some beautiful, you know, trades in the market of recent, and it is something that is encouragingly good. Just playing around. We are going to end this video right here. We shall take our take profit very soon when it hits take profit. As you can see, the market is moving really well, right? But it doesn't mean that it is going to move like that all the way. Anyway, we shall take the decision later after watching what the London session is going to do. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and those that have not yet signed up, FBS, the link is down in the description. Patreon, and I have a guide, a booklet which you can buy on Amazon. They are all down in the description. But thank you very much for watching. We shall make money online, like it or not. Those that are interested, just try, and I wish you the best on your journey in trading Forex. And thank you very much for watching the video. Peace out. Bye.